Hello again for another video in the video series. After creating the adapter file for the car body, another step is to create the gun cloud for the weld spots. This is needed to have all the weld guns in weld position as determined by the colleagues who have done the simulation, for example in Process Simulate. The pre-requirement to be able to do this is to have the weld gun in a specific format CGR, CAT part or another supported format, and to have the TCP positioned in the 0 of the part. This is something that needs to be done in advance. I have already created for this exercise a simplified weld gun normally. You will receive this from simulation. I load the weld gun model into the virtual product gun. Of course, this is in an incorrect position at the moment, but it has the TCP in the 0 of the part as described before. Now, I open the Excel file received from simulation that contains the weld gun exact positions. Please notice that my program will always start to read the data starting from cell B3, and needs to be arranged exactly as you see in this file. Otherwise, the data will not be correctly loaded. After you check the file and make sure the data is in correct position, you can close the file. Now, you need to launch the program. When you click on the button on the left side, it will ask to select the location of the Excel file that contains the weld gun positions. Now, all imported positions appear using the weld spot name, coordinates, and orientation. You can check here to make sure everything was correctly imported. Next, if you want to get only the axis corresponding to the weld gun orientation in one file, you can click on the button in the middle. You can insert this file in your environment product. If you want, you can skip the previous step shown and directly position the weld guns. For this, use the button on the right side. Follow the instructions and select the environment product or another product where you want to place the weld gun cloud, and after select the gun. This was it. Now you can close the program. The result is a virtual product named with current date that contains the weld guns in the positions given from simulation, and also have the name of each weld spot, for easier identification. Considering that generally you have tens or hundreds of weld points, or even updates from simulation, you can imagine how much time you are saving in a project using this program. I hope you will find this useful, and you will come back for more videos. If you have any questions, write a comment. Have a nice day.